Burton Outdoors, currently outdoors, wearing a baseball cap back to front, which was protecting my neck from the heat of the sun. On a beach camp today with the one and only Tim from Born Outside and this other bloody idiot, Dan, Camp Like Bushcraft, who was trying to make a video. Oh, have you got a video? And yeah, he's up to his usual Steven Spielberg tricks. And also good buddy Timothy.
Hello, hello!
So yeah, we're at the usual beach. Oh look, there's a sausage. Here comes a sausage. We're at the usual beach next door to, I can't point that way because it looks like I'm actually filming people. Right next to the Nudist beach. So, but yeah, got the Legionnaire on again because it's hot on the back of your neck. Always bring a bandana and a cap wherever you go. Do you want to see the sea? There you go. There's the boys, look. A couple of nudists over yonder, which they shouldn't be there because that's not the nudist area. There's a couple more in the sea there. I'm sure you can see them. It's still quite warm, probably 24-ish, maybe a little windy. Right, there you go, all set up, ready to go. Just put my pack on it just to weigh it down a bit at the moment so it doesn't blow away. But because everything opens up on the right side, when I wake up in the morning, I've got that little view. Which, if I can see over this little berm, the boys are just setting up now. Sun setting, time for beers. I forgot to say, I've got the Trekology UL, I've got the elephant mat, ex-army military German, is it? I can't remember. Elephant mat, which is really good actually, a little bit non-slip as well. Trekology UL80 mats, because it's so far for me been very resilient and it's not too cold. So R value is a bit low on those, so that's alright. Summer sleeping bag, which is the OEX, whatever it is, 400. Summer autumn, and I've got a new pillow which is the Nemo pillow, which good buddy Gordon Brown sold me on. Not so sure about it because pack size it is horrendous, but it's got memory foam and stuff in there. I've probably done it up a bit too, blown it up a bit too hard, but you see how thick it is. So that'll be the real test. I've tried it once, so yeah, it was alright. I wouldn't say it's brilliant, certainly for the cost and certainly for the pack size. Should have a comfy night. So tonight, some of the many beers that I've had. This is the last one. Two of the previous ones was a Punk IPA and one of those lemonade something or others, which I don't think I filmed, but this one I'm going to enjoy. Last beer, then I'm on the wine with the traditional beach view. Sun comes up over here in the morning. Lovely. Bivvies. 1, 2, 3 bivvies. This little piggy went to market. This little piggy had none. This little piggy had roast beef, and there's no more piggies. So we have Mr. Burton Outdoors in the Mil-Tec US GI Bivvy. We've got Dan, Camp Like Bushcraft, in the Dutch Army hoop bivvy. He's not having the hoop up tonight. And we've got Tim in the also Mil-Tec bivvy, exactly the same as mine, it's just his is plain, which I actually quite like. That actually. There you go. There's the boys, if you can see them there. Let's just have a little zoomage. Just there. It's not funny.
What's your camera? In my pocket. I'm going to film it.
Nah, it's fine.
I don't mind. Film over your shoulder, make it look heroic.
Yeah. 11 PM burgers. Look at you two.
No matter where I roam, I will return to my English rose, for no bonds can ever tempt me from she. I sailed the 7 seas, flown the whole blue sky.
Good morning. It's 5:30 when you wake up to the sound of that.
I return replaced where my love does lie. No matter where I go, I will come back to my English rose, for nothing can ever tempt me from she. I've searched the secret mists, I've climbed the highest peaks, and caught the wild wind home to hear a soft voice speak. No matter where I roam, I will return to my English rose, for no bonds can ever keep me from she.
Morning, just checking my hair. Yeah, bit shit, isn't it? How are we? I'm fine, thank you. Now I've got some of that. Check out my boy, Ash Outdoors UK. You know who you are, Mr. Ash Outdoors UK. It's about 6:45 in the morning. I was up at Sparrow's fart of exactly 22 minutes past 5. We went to bed, I think about 1:30, which is not too bad. Oh, don't know if you can see that in the background. A ray of sunshine coming through onto the beach. But yeah, it was a fantastic night actually, really, really good night. As always, well, a fantastic afternoon and a good night. Yeah, got here about 2ish, 2:30. Steaming hot yesterday, absolutely steaming hot. Glad I put some sun cream on. But yeah, it was good to get out with the lads again. It's nice for Tim to meet Dan. And we're just now sort of packing up. We're going to go to a cafe and have some breakfast of a massive variety. I've just had a porridge as well, but yeah, waking up to the sound of the sea this morning was great. I haven't camped on the beach since last time I camped with Dan on the beach actually, which was probably a year ago. So yeah, love sleeping out on the bivvy and packing up. Packing up is so easy. It really is. Yeah, a lot of fun had. Thanks very much. Hope you enjoyed this one. Not sure how I'm going to throw it together yet, but it will be thrown together. Burton Outdoors, currently outdoors, standing on a beach, lovely and warm. Goodbye. I see no ships.
2K sailors.
Right, there you go, chaps. Thanks very much for a brilliant time. As always, go check out Mr. CLB's channel, Camp Life Bushcraft, and Tim, Born Outside. I'll leave the links in the description. Thanks very much. See you later. Burton Outdoors, currently outdoors, watching these two boys snog. Goodbye.
Breakfast has gone up in the world.
You're such a cunt. You're such a fuckwit. Fuck off. It's not funny.
Been to ancient worlds, I've scoured the whole universe, caught the first train home.